This is why I didn't make it to Italy with Edmond, because see, he's getting, this is crazy. All right, today I am headed to California, and it's gonna be a fun one. We're gonna finally do a Hypercar update, which has been long awaited. Now this car's just been sitting and sitting and sitting, and honestly, very little progress has been made. Now my guys out in Italy are doing everything they can to expedite the process, but we're waiting for some fabrication work to get done so that we can basically 3D scan the final iteration of the engine bay. That way the rear end of the car can be finalized and we can move on, send the car to Italy, get it done with, put some body panels on it, and then show the world what we've created. I am going to be probably making 3 more videos for this because I think we have about 3 more weeks of work to do before we're scanning the car. Let's get going and say goodbye to, man, every time I see this, I just get so happy. Just there's a Bugatti basically in my office. It's just really cool. It's also extremely disgustingly dirty in here. So this is my little office living room and we need to clean that up. So next week, maybe I'll do a cleanup vlog. All right, let's go. Let's just show you guys one quick thing. This is the other 355 right here. This is a 1995 6-speed manual 355 coupe with a beautiful black interior, 31,000 miles. I'm gonna put this one for sale, like now. The coupe is sold, it's gonna get delivered soon, and this one's taking its place on the eBay for sale listing. I'm probably gonna say 65 to 70,000 for this. This car as a coupe is worth so much more than that. And honestly, I wanna keep it, but I've had it for like a year and a half, and I'm not a hoarder. Well, maybe, hold on, Darren, am I a hoarder?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
I'm a hoarder, but I don't hoard cheap stuff. That's the difference. I hoard really expensive things. And I really like keeping all of my nice expensive things on shelves. I have like tons of Gallardo engine parts just because I like the way they look and I like them sitting there. But that's not the point, okay? I'm not that bad of a hoarder, okay? The point is that I want to get a new project and I need this money, right? Because let's say 70,000, 45,000, thousands and thousands of dollars all add up, and it makes for really good project car money. And I don't have endless sums of money, so I really need to use this money. One of these days I'm gonna puke on one of these planes, I swear. I get super motion sick and these small planes are no good for me. Let's see if our Uber is out front. He's not over there. And he's not over here. Always late.
Open door for you, but it's like
thank you so much.
What's up, dude?
Thank you so much.
Listen, so
doesn't matter. Be quiet. We're not talking.
I know you know I'm always gonna be late. Okay?
I know. That's why I told you to come 15 minutes early.
I know.
Because I walked out of here 30 seconds ago.
I've already picked that up. I know you just subtract 15, so I add 20.
So you're still gonna be late no matter what happens.
You said 30 seconds.
Yes.
For 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Perfect time.
Technically, you're on time. Okay. But I told you 11:20, so you're
I know,
still
but
late.
I'm like so much smarter than you.
Oh
That
my
I did the math in my head.
All right.
So what are we doing today? Hypercar and
why? What can you listen?
you've got a production thing
Listen.
going on.
Why do you always gotta
By the way,
spoil all of the events here?
In case I need to represent at the production meeting.
Yeah. Oh, you got your royalty shirt on?
Yeah.
See, I was actually. It's so
Available
funny.
at shopajx.com.
Yeah, it's really funny. It's really funny you say that because I was trying to find my AGX shirt in the closet today to wear that. Because every time I come to California, I wear AGX shirts. We are gonna go get lunch. I have a meeting with my production company that's been working on a couple big projects for us, and once that's done, we're going to. Yep. Yeah. Okay. I really wish my camera would have broke his windshield. God, that'd have been great.
Always pay attention.
We're gonna drive out to where our car is being built. Now, I hope you guys are ready because this is gonna start some major updates because I've moved the car to a place where it is gonna get finished. And it is going to go to Italy, and it's going to get finished even faster. And I'm not waiting for him anymore because
Don't put your seatbelt on.
I will in a second. I just can't put a seatbelt on while my camera's over here.
I mean,
I'm not waiting for this to get finished.
Influencer, you know,
all right?
You got kids watching this. Guys, always wear your seatbelt. Don't be Houston. Don't talk about Bugattis at age 20. And don't not wear a seatbelt.
Okay. All
We'll
right.
see you guys at the car. You're supposed to go that way.
If anybody wonders, I keep a spare helmet in Edmond's car because it's so dangerous. Okay? It's just, this is why I didn't make it to Italy with Edmond because he's in a Jeep. We're going 290 miles an hour on the freeway right now. Look at the wall. We can't even see it. This is,
We have like
oh my
8 hours
God.
an hour.
Anyways,
It's not that serious.
if you guys see this vlog, it means I made it out alive. See? He's getting. This is crazy. Well, Edmond and I got a hypercar update, and you guys are not. Because it's secret, and I'm not sharing it with you.
We decided to change a couple things again. So, honestly, it looks great.
Can you please tell them why we're not showing what we changed?
I don't want.
No, hold on.
Okay.
Because of
Sorry.
you.
No.
I wanted to show what we were talking about. Look, we're gonna move the turbos again. We're gonna change the intercooler design, but it's because we perfected the suspension, and
Correct.
then the original turbo kit had to change, and so I didn't really know what I was doing. Well, I say that a lot, but
So
you know, the
right
thing
now-
is that right
okay.
now we have the perfect plan, and it's gonna fit with not with the body design.
Correct. So the way it's designed right now, the exhaust would be very short. I'm all about exhaust tone. I
Me
want
too.
longer pipes.
I agree. I 100% agree.
Yeah, so we're switching it up a little to have a lot of like titanium pipes, so it sounds like really good. But that's gonna take another month.
Yeah.
So
We have to get the car to Italy by the 1st of February. So,
which probably isn't gonna happen.
you know, it's going to happen for sure. Because it only takes like 6 weeks to get there. Oh shit, it takes 6 weeks to get there.
Yeah.
We're going to have to air...
That's 8 weeks from now.
It's 8 weeks from now.
Yeah.
We're going to have to air freight this car there, so it takes 8 hours to get there. Or 12 hours to get there.
It takes 2 weeks, even with air freight. It has to pass customs. and
Oh
all
man,
that.
we're
So
screwed.
We are. No,
We're
listen.
screwed.
It's gonna take 8 weeks over here for this to be done because we're changing everything around, and then another 2 weeks. So it'll be there mid-February.
Honestly, yeah, I think it's the first week of December.
So it's not gonna be revealed at Geneva anymore.
Geneva 2020. Maybe we'll shoot for
That's-
Monterey now.
You know, we should just make that wooden copy.
So we have this option to
Correct.
make the car like every other manufacturer does out of a block of wood, and we can release it, right? But I was like,
Think of the Hennessy F5.
F5, the little Bugatti's done it.
And they even made a CF5 video.
No, Lamborghini's done it. The Lamborghini car that was released this week is a block of
I
wood.
said CF5 video. It's not CF5 video. So it's a CGI video.
CGI video. Yeah.
CF5.
Whatever,
Where am I going?
dude.
Put your seatbelt
Make it
on.
right. It's because hold on.
This one happens when you don't put your seatbelt on. You gonna put it on?
It's
You gonna
on.
be a good boy?
It's on. It's on.
Okay, good.
Okay.
All right. So yeah, the option is make a wooden copy, just like everyone else. Make a CGI video with that, so you see the car like the way it would look down the road, and that we can have at Geneva, just like Hennessy did 2 years ago when I was at the Geneva Auto Show. They had a yellow wooden copy. I mean, it looked real until you get up close, and then you realize the windshield is like painted black, so you can't see inside. So that's definitely an option we could do. I think that's the way we should go, because I want to release our body as soon as possible, like the design of our car as soon as possible, before any other manufacturer picks up on.
Our design cues are so unique right now.
Correct. So
I don't want anybody to copy us before we release our stuff.
No one's so no one's gonna be able to copy it, like copy what we have designed, because obviously the design is very like top secret. No one knows about it. But I feel like manufacturers are gonna start going this route.
Yeah.
With
that's the problem.
You know what I'm talking about.
I 100% agree.
Yeah, so there's like two main key factors to the design of our car, and I feel like manufacturers are going to start going that route. So before other manufacturers start going that route, I want to release the design of the car. So I think we should just call Emanuele and get that wooden copy. What do you think?
I can tell you right now, the wooden copy costs 3 times what this Jeep cost. Okay? And I am very, very frugal. I am very frugal when it comes to spending money on like things that I cannot use again. Okay? Now I love to spend money, but what am I gonna do?
Whoa, what in the world just happened? What the fuck just happened? Alright, it's at shift to park to start. Shift to park, then desired gear.
Okay, why don't you just
Okay, but it's flashing. It's not going into the oh man, I think I fucked up the transmission on the car.
this
Look,
video
it's-
evidence? I know it's flashing. Just turn the car off.
Okay, well it did turn off. Vehicle not in park. How is it not in park? This is park. Okay. Check engine light is still on.
That's probably gonna stay on.
This is what happens when you don't put your seatbelt on and I pull the emergency brake.
At 90 miles an hour on the freeway.
At 60 miles an hour just to prove a point. You need to buckle up. Yeah, my check engine light's on. Amazing. It's got 3,000 miles on the car.
Alright.
Traction
Please
off.
come on.
Traction
Turn it back
off?
on. You're
No.
gonna listen, just want to let you guys know.
I'm just making sure the car works fine now. That's it. Check engine light's still there. Nothing changed.
Why did I take my helmet off? Why did I take my helmet off? You're gonna. This is so stupid. Oh my god.
It's fun.
It's not fun.
See,
Who's it fun for?
This is why your videos don't get any views.
That's the truth.
Watch.
Yeah. Stop. Please. Please. You're gonna hit this guy for sure. This is not what a Jeep is supposed to do.
It does when I drive it.
Okay, please.
All right.
Thank you.
It's off.
All right.
All right.
Now, back to regular scheduled programming.
We're gonna go buy a.
I'm not buying a.
Oops.
No, stop. Why you gotta ruin every video? I haven't even made the video yet, and you've already ruined the next video.
Oh, you're making 2 videos in one
I'm making
day.
like 9 more videos.
Oh, okay. All right, guys. Coming up next.